Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Fitria. I'm from Management 24A with the NPM 2441110. And now I am the presentation about the strategic risk management, navigating uncertainty, driving value. A vertical with for leader and strategist team to embed risk thinking into decision, turn uncertainty into advantage, and protect long-term value. This deck outlines why SRM matter, the domain its cover, measuring stakes, practical technique, and how to operationalize agility and risk-informed strategy. The volatile landscape, why SRM is non-negotiable. Today, operating environment is defined by rapid change, interconnection, and surprise. Geopolitical tension, shifting regulatory, fast-moving competitor, and climate impact create strategic uncertainty that can use value quickly. Embedding strategy, risk management, or SRM into core decision-making strengthen resilience, support adaptive planning, and ensure the organized can purpose opportunity without being blinded by system threat. Defining strategic risk management or SRM. SRM is the discipline, practice or identify, assessing and responding to risk that affect an organization mission, vision, and long-term strategy. Unlike operational risk programs, SRM focus on the strategic tier, choices about new market, major investment, M&A, and transformation. It complements ARM by forcing high impact, low frequency event, and translating them to strategic option and trade-off for executive and board. 2K domain of strategic risk. External factors include geopolitical shift, trade policy, climate regulation, emergence competitor, and macroeconomic shock. Largely outside direct control but can be anticipated and hedged through scenario planning, strategy option, and diversification. An internal factor indicator measure restructuring, digital transformation programs, leadership transformation, and culture change. These are collaborable but introduce executive risk. They require clear change governance, milestone, based control, and contingency plans. The monetary spectrum of risk management. Basic compliance-driven control, insurance-focused thinking, ad hoc governance, risk conversation, occur reactivity, limited linked to strategy. 2. Intermediate, different from what an enterprise view structured programs, period risk reporting, partition alike with strategy planning but limited influence on major decisions. 3. Advanced risk is embedded in strategy setting and capital allocation, data-driven trade-off, qualified scenario analysis, and incentive that reward risk over innovation. And aggression required governance updates, analytic capability, and culture incentive risk conversation are forward-looking and decision-shaping. Exploiting risk of value creation. Top-performing companies intentional sex asymmetric opportunities where control risk taking, yet outsiders return, strategic risk-taking can accelerate cash flow by entering adjacencies early, extending high growth windows, growth goals, investment, and creating barrier to entry via platforms. Play the key is disciplined sizing of bet, stop loss rules, and portfolio thinking. That strategy invitation as investment with risk-return profiles, not just project. Agility, the cornerstone of SRM. Speed, certain decision lab with clear authorities and real-time data to act before threat escalate. Scalability, cloud and modular architectures reduce sunk cost and enable rapid piloting of product and capability. Experimentation, use small reversible experiment to validate assumption, restrict large scale movies and learn quickly. Ambient angel method which get financial control so adaptation does not income drift. Balancing risk and opportunity. Active SRM reframe balance as a deliberate portfolio of goodness and bad. Get systemic trade accept to transfer crowd risk and internationally purpose on-site opportunity where downside is unlimited. Use risk tolerance band digital awareness for optimization and decision criteria that require explicit calculation of both potential gain the failure models. This approach converts affordable uncertainty into strategy options that preserve optimality and edible upside capture. Key technique for managing strategic risk. Scenario planning, develop plausible alternative, future quantify impact on value drive and predefine trigger point and strategic option for air scenario. And two, risk opportunity mapping. Map where risk overlap with strategic goals and identify opportunities that arise from those some condition. Turn threat into differentiated bet. Agile decision framework. Establish rapid governance, pre-agreed result, empowered owners, and likewise authorization to act decisively with preserving oversight. And at future of SRM, informed, adaptive, value driven. Integrate SRM across the strategic cycle, scan for disruptor, embed risk metric in option value, and make risk-informed investment choices, build capability advantage, analytic for early detection, flexible capital allocation for opportunity, and culture incentive that reward prudence boldness. Ultimately, SRM empowers the leader to paint ambition with a clear-eyed view of potential description. So organization can pursue grow confidently with reserved resilience. Next step, pilot scenario-based planning for one strategy initiative, define risk tolerance band, create a cross-function SRM council reporting to the executive team. Okay guys, thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.